Hey everyone, my name is Maureen Zappala. So excited to come to you from here in my hometown, Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm excited to be leading a 4-hour pre-conference workshop coming up at Service World later on this year. If you have ever struggled with a professional self-doubt, you second-guess your decisions, you doubt your abilities, and you think today's the day they're going to find out I'm a fraud. It's imposter syndrome. So this session, this workshop that I'm conducting, it's called Rethinking Imposter Syndrome. So you'll learn 3 things in this workshop. Number 1, you'll learn what imposter syndrome is and isn't. Number 2, you will learn to rethink the thoughts that got you there. Number 3, you'll come up with a plan to move forward through this so that you can take your imposter syndrome journey and reduce it to a moment. Just get it out of the way and get on with the business of truly enjoying your career, your business, your impact. So can't wait to see you in October here in lovely, by that time it will still be hot, Las Vegas, Nevada.